Ito yung pagkain natin ngayon, fish escabeche. Ito sour. Itong luto ni Mrs. Yan, may rice tayo diyan. Rice, white rice lang. Yan. Now guys, meron akong piniplay. Shout out tayo guys. Shout out to Honey Pie Vlog. Yan. Piniplay ko siya sa cellphone. Yan. So, okay. Shout out din tayo kay si Pink Lover, Pink 96 Lover. Yan, nasa laptop, nasa screen siya, big screen. So, playing the playlist of Mom Pink 96 Lover. So, don't forget to support, visit her channel. Okay, next is Ma'am Fatima Shaida. Yan. So, yan na. It's relaxing yung place nila. So, don't forget also to support Ma'am Fatima Shaida. Watch hour lang ako lang. Dito kay Ma'am Pink 26 is watch hour and subscribers. So, next is my shout out to my member, si Drone from Life. Yan. Ito yung video niya. Yan siya. Playing the Candy Love hard mix, Drone from Life. Yan. Shout out. Then next is Mom Shen. I'm playing the Eyes of Love. Keep up. Okay, ito. Loading pa konti. Okay. Shout out Ma'am Shen Piano Salon. Okay. Keep on playing. We're listening here and supporting you. Okay, next is Ma'am Living After Life. No. Sorry. Living After 50. So, nalito ako. I'm just confused because I have a member also, Drone from Life. Yan, si Drone. Si Mom is living after 50. Yan. So, shout out. Then, shout out also to Honey Pie. So, may piniplay din ako games. MG Gamers, shout out. Yan. Sa kabila. I'm also playing watching the video of Wow Karachi. Shout out Wow Karachi. So let's eat guys. So, ito na tayo. Okay. Doon muna tayo kay Ma'am. Living After 50s. Yan. Then ito yung kuha namin member. So bite member ko si Ma'am. Ito sa si Ma'am Ma'am Shen. Medyo nag-loading sa kanya. Si Drone from Life. Yan. Don't forget to visit the channel. Si Ma'am Fatima at saka si Pink 96 Lover. Okay guys, so while eating, let's watch Ma'am Shen video. So nilakihan ko na. Yan. Full screen. Okay. Loading yata. Anyway, kain tayo. It's it guys. Yan na. The video of Ma'am Shen. Naka-post pala siya. Okay. Yan. Okay. It's it. Ganda ng flowers. Oh. Ito na ang background niya. spices, ginger, carrots, onions, saka isang kwan, vinegar, saka liquid sugar. Sarap.